Today we are going to learn about vowel sound of A. What is the sound of A? Very good. Okay, Evelyn, pick the word ram. Very good. Inaya, pick the word tap. Excellent. Okay, Navdeep, pick the word bag. Good. Okay, Yamika, pick the word hat. Good. Amansh, pick the word dad. Good. Okay, Pravya, pick the word fan. Good, very good. Lavin, pick the word nap. Nap, beta. Very good. Okay, Parav, pick the word cat. Good.